That's a gift. That's my second.
Okay. Let me just go through and do a couple of examples here, just so you can see and check what you've done, and then I'm going to add one more column that I want you to calculate as far as what we've done. All right. Somebody raise their hand if they had ball number 10 at all. Okay. Haley, give me your information here. What surface did you use?
The wood.
Okay. Wood. Okay. What was your mass on ball number 10? 7 grams. All right. I didn't talk about this beforehand. I should have. Okay. Let's change these grams over to kilograms. All right. So I'm gonna move my decimal 3 places to the left. So that's going to be 0.007 kilograms. All right. What you get is your bounce height.
0.81.
Okay. 0.81. 0.81 was my bounce height. Okay. Which is pretty good. Okay. That's pretty good. Did you classify that as elastic or inelastic? Okay, that was elastic. All right, so that's what she got for ball number 10. What color was that one? Do you remember?
Yeah,
Okay, all right, that was this one. Okay, you can see that's going to give you a good. This is a true, what we talked about yesterday. This is a true bouncy ball. Okay, so it's going to get a good bounce height. And that's definitely going to be close to elastic. Now listen, if it were completely elastic, what would be how high would it have gone? If this collision were completely elastic, how high would the ball go?
4 yards.
Huh?
4 yards.
Yeah, right, the whole meter. It would come back up the whole meter, but it's not, but we're just classifying it as more elastic or inelastic. Okay, now in just a second, I know some of you are still writing some stuff. What I want you to add, the column that I want you to add is the percent lost. You can just write percent lost over here on the right side. Okay? And what I want you to do is calculate the percentage of momentum that was lost. And this is all you got to do. Just take 1 and divide it by your bounce height. Okay? Take 1 and divide it by your bounce height. Now listen guys, make sure your bounce height is in meters. That means it's like you move the decimal over 2 places. Because if not, you're going to get a crazy number. Alright? So she would, like on this particular case, she would say 1 divided by 0.81. Alright? So make sure it's in meters. That's the way you do that. If you need a calculator, come and grab one. Hey listen, once you go down and do that last column, you can bring these up. Do not worry about filling in the top. Don't worry about filling in the top. Okay, I'm mainly looking at the big table. Okay, but do that last calculation. That's going to tell you how much momentum was lost in this case.